A goal without a plan is just a wish. My goal is to make my children successful in national level competitive exams like IIT and NEET. So, I planned an exclusive program for IIT and NEET Foundation. The curriculum in these sessions is designed to suit children of grades 6 to 12. Children of lower grades feel it a bit harder as you will be introduced to new concepts beyond your textbooks. Children of higher grades feel comfortable as they are dealt with the basic concepts at their respective schools and colleges. The beauty of our sessions lies in the shortcut formulae and their application in numericals, which are designed by a team of experienced and expertised lecturers. Success in competitive exams comes by procuring resources like coaching and study material, your persistent smart effort, writing practice tests, self evaluation, and motivation. So, dear achievers, don't take pressure. Rather, feel the pleasure of learning for life and make your wish of getting an admission into IITs and medical colleges a reality. Wish you all success.
Hello, future IITians. In today's math hour, we'll start a chapter called Algebra. In this chapter, we'll start our session with the formulae, most important formulae in algebra. Then the numericals based on those important formulae. Then we look into the topics like HCF, LCM, etc., followed by their numericals. Let's get started. Let me tell you the definition of formula. Formula is a mathematical statement that is the relation between two or more variables. The most important formulae in algebra come like this. The first one, this is very popular among you and most of you know this. A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2ab. For this, let me illustrate as how this a square plus b square plus 2ab comes out. A plus b whole square can be taken as a plus b into a plus b, wherein we need to multiply like this: a into a plus b plus b into a plus b. This comes out as a into a square plus a into b, ab plus b into a, ab again plus b into b, b square. This can be simplified and written as a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this is the derivation of the formula. There are 15 such important formulae in algebra, but I'm not going to explain you in detail about their derivations. You can do it on your own based on the explanation I had just given above. Moving on to the second formula, a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. The third one, a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. From the formula 1 and 2, we can derive a fourth formula which comes out as a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is equal to 2 into a square plus b square. The fifth one, a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab. The next one, a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. The above statement or the above formula can be written as sigma a square plus 2 sigma bc. Moving on to the next one, a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Otherwise, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. The next one, a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b, which comes out as a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. The next one, x plus a into x plus b can be taken as x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. If x is a variable and a is a number, then x plus a into x plus b into x plus c is equal to x cube plus x square into a plus b plus c plus x into ab plus bc plus ca plus abc. The next formula, a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. The next one, a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. The 13th formula in this series, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. In the above formula, if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. The last formula in this series, a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca can be taken as half into a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square. Now let us look into some numericals based on the above formulae. The first one in this series, if a plus b plus c is equal to 7 and ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 12, then find a square plus b square plus c square. So this is the numerical. Moving on to the solution of it, just write the formula for a plus b plus c whole square, which comes out as a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. This can be simplified and written like this, a square plus b square plus c square. If we observe, 2 is common here, so take 2 common and write it as 2 into ab plus bc plus ca. Moving further, since a plus b plus c is equal to 7, here a plus b plus c whole square can be written as 7 square, followed by a square plus b square plus c square plus, from the problem, ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 12. Just substitute the value of ab plus bc plus ca as 12 here, so it becomes 2 into 12. The next step is 7 square is 49, that is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 24. The next step is a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 49 minus 24, which is 25. This is the solution for this. Let us move to another numerical. If AB is equal to 12, BC is equal to 20 and CA is equal to 15, find the values of A plus B plus C. Let us move on to the solution. From the given data, AB into BC into CA is equal to 12 into 20 into 15. Now, this can be written as a square into b square into c square is equal to 12 into 20 into 15, which comes out as 3600. Now, a square into b square into c square can be taken as abc whole square, which is equal to 60 square. Here we had considered 3600 as 60 square. The next step, just cancel the squares on both sides. We get ABC is equal to 60. Now, let us find the value of A, B, C individually and then find A plus B plus C. Now, A is equal to ABC by BC. Here, we had derived that ABC is equal to 60. So, take it in the numerator by BC. It is given in the problem that BC is equal to 20. So substitute it, just cancel the zeros, 2 1s and 2 3s. So the value of A is 3. Now let us find out the value of B. B is equal to ABC by AC. The value of ABC is 60 again. AC is given as 15. So substitute it, 15 1s and 54s. So the value of B is 4. Let us find out the value of C. C is equal to ABC by AB. ABC we have it as 60 and AB is given as 12. So just cancel them as 12 ones and 12 fives. So the value of C is 5. Now let us find out A plus B plus C. A is 3, B is 4, C is 5. So A plus B plus C is equal to 3 plus 4 plus 5, which is 12. This is how simple it is. In the further maths hours, we look into interesting numericals like this along with amazing shortcut techniques also. Bye bye for now. Hey, future medico, hearty welcome to biology class. The first topic is living and biodiversity. Let me start with the definition of biology. The word biology is derived from the Greek words bios meaning life and logos meaning study. So, biology is the study of living things. Let us discuss the differences between non-living things and living organisms. First, coming to the non-living things, these non-living things won't move from their place. They do not show growth. They do not reproduce. They cannot give response to the stimuli. Example for non-living things are cell phone, duster, pen, etc. Let us learn about living organisms. Living organisms move from one place to the another. They show growth, they reproduce, they give response to the stimuli. I have a question for you children. Is there any connecting link between living and non-living organisms? Yes, there is. The answer is virus. We know viruses as disease-causing agents which are smaller than bacteria. Viruses are intracellular parasites with protein and nucleic acid in their structure. A virus behaves as a particle or a non-living thing when not in contact with a host. When the same virus enters the host body system, it replicates like a living organism. So, the connecting link between the living things and the non-living organisms is virus. Moving further, living beings has two futures. The first one being defining future and the second one being the characteristic future. Defining future is present in all living beings without any exception. Characteristic future is present in both living and non-living organisms. Let us take four futures like growth, metabolism, consciousness, and reproduction to decide whether they are defining futures or characteristic futures. The four futures can be easily remembered with a mnemonic called Government Medical College Ray. Now, let us go into the details and learn about growth. The permanent increase in cell number and size of organism is called growth. Growth in plants continues till their end of their life. In animals, growth is up to certain age. Growth in unicellular organisms is synonymous to reproduction. The example is one amoeba increasing its cell number as 2 by binary fission. Here, increasing its cell number, that is the growth, is giving birth to daughter amoebae, which is rather called reproduction. As growth seems to be exceptional, it is called a characteristic future. Now let us move on to the second future, reproduction. The word re means again. Production means produce. So, reproduction means producing again and again. That is giving rise to new progeny. Reproduction is absent in non-living things like phone, pen, etc. The reproduction is seen in living organisms and is of two types. The first one is asexual reproduction and second one is sexual reproduction. Let us learn about asexual reproduction. In asexual reproduction, gametes are not formed. There is no fertilization. Since gametes are not formed, the progeny resemble parent. That is, the progeny can be called as clones. And variations does not happen in asexual reproduction. Now let us move on to sexual reproduction. Here, gametes are involved, fertilization happens, progeny are not clones, variations happen. After this explanation, let us conclude whether reproduction is a defining future or characteristic future. Before that, let me tell you one example. mules and worker bees won't reproduce at all. Since there is an exception here, reproduction is a characteristic feature. The next one, metabolism. The chemical reaction in the cells is called metabolism. Metabolism does not occur in non-living organisms. Metabolism occurs in living organisms. Metabolism in living organisms is of two types, anabolism and catabolism. Anabolism is called as building up reaction. Example for this is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a process wherein green plants prepare their food material making use of simple inorganic substances like carbon dioxide and water in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Here, a new compound called glucose or starch is prepared, hence this is called anabolic reaction or anabolism. Then moving to catabolism. Catabolism is called a breakdown reaction. Example for this is respiration. Respiration can be treated as oxidation of food material wherein the glucose reacts with oxygen, forms carbon dioxide and water. Here, a bigger molecule called glucose has been broken down into lighter molecules called carbon dioxide and water. Hence, this is a breakdown reaction. Now, next, metabolism is a defining character as it is without exceptions. Metabolism may also happen in cell-free system too. These are called biological reactions. Example for this is the digestion of protein can be made to happen in the laboratory in a test tube once this protein material is supplied with the necessary enzymes required for the digestion of protein. The fourth feature we are with is consciousness. Showing response to various stimuli is called consciousness. Stimulus is the one that trigger a physical or behavioral change. It is a feature of all living things without exception, hence it is a defining feature.